Are you looking for a replacement part for your Amtrol pump? You've certainly reached the right place. We at Pump Products strive to provide you with a suitable repair part for your Amtrol pump. Our vast collection of pump parts and repair kits let you select the perfect repair part. The highly durable and efficient Amtrol pump replacement parts include tank spacers for steel stand models, pump mounting stands, universal deck kits, and external grounding kits. These repair parts are available for Amtrol pumps of different models and sizes. We at Pump Products ensure you get the correct repair parts in time for the smooth functioning of your Amtrol pumps. Browse through our online Amtrol catalog to place your orders at the guaranteed lowest price. Each repair part comes with a detailed instruction manual that makes your job much easier. Pump Products is a leading Amtrol Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Amtrol pumps and parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.